Welcome to Understand the Math. We're going to look at an example where we're going to find delta for a given epsilon using a graph. We're given the graph of f of x, and we're told that this function satisfies the limit of f of x as x approaches 3 is equal to 6. On our graph, here's 3 and here's 6. We want to find the largest number delta such that in part A, if 0 is less than the absolute value of x minus 3 is less than delta, then the absolute value of f of x minus 6 is going to be less than 2. And this 2 is our epsilon. We're going to do something similar for part B. To find delta in part A, we're going to begin with the then part of the statement. Our then part of the statement says that the absolute value of f of x minus 6 is less than 2. Let's get rid of the absolute value and write this as minus 2 is less than f of x minus 6 is less than 2. Let's add 6 to all three pieces, and we end up with 4 is less than f of x is less than 2 plus 6, which is 8. F of x needs to be between 4, located here on our graph, and 8. We want to find delta so that f of x lies between 4 and 8. Let's go up to our graph and let's see where 4 and 8 lie on our function. We're going to go up to 8 and we're going to draw a straight line over to the graph and mark that point. And then we're going to do the same thing down here at 4 and we'll mark this point. These 2 points correspond to x lying within this pink region. Let's label this so you can see it. This is 3 plus delta, and then this is 3 minus delta. To find delta, we can see that 3 plus delta is approximately 3.6. That's looking at this point right there. Subtracting 3 from both sides, we get that delta is approximately 0.6. This tells us that the largest value delta can be is 0.6 to ensure that our function lies between 4 and 8. And let's just make a note that our epsilon from up here is equal to 2. Now let's look at part B. We're going to do the same thing, but now our interval for f of x is going to be smaller. We have f of x minus 6 is less than 1. So we have minus 1 is less than f of x minus 6 is less than 1. Adding 6 to all three pieces, we get 5 is less than f of x is less than 7. Let's also make a note that epsilon is equal to 1. And let's go back up to our graph and let's put in 7 and 5 because that's what f of x has to range between. Let's now draw a line over to our graph from both of those, and then we're going to draw our line down. Now we have to look at our graph, and we're going to have to estimate what 3 plus delta is equal to. Let's put in our graph here that this point is 3 plus delta. So we have 3 plus delta is approximately, that looks like about 3.25. Subtracting 3, we have delta is approximately 0.25. And that's our answer. If delta is 0.25 or smaller, we can ensure that our function, f of x, is going to be between 5 and 7.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.